Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a collaborator on a YouTube video. So let me tell you a little bit about this feature. So if you have a YouTube channel or a video that is actually doing well, and you have, for example, a second channel that you recently started, and you somehow want that second channel to feed off the views of the subscribers or your audience in general on your other channel, then you can use this feature to help your second channel to grow. As well, if you're just a creator and you want to collaborate with another creator on a specific video, you can also use that to collaborate as well. And this is super easy to do. So let me show you how to do it. Now I'm going to use two channels. And as I said, so in this video, I'm going to use two channels, my personal channel and a second channel that I have recently started. And so you can see how it's going to work step by step. So go ahead and find a video that you want to add a collaborator for. I'm going to use this one right here related to AI and Grok. So I'm going to click edit in this video and I'm going to just simply scroll down on the video details here. There's going to be a section here that's going to say to add a collaborator. As you can see, it says invite a collaborator, and all you have to do is simply click and invite a collaborator. Now you can go ahead and search for the channel. I want to mention something. When you add a collaborator, you're in control, you expand your reach, and also you have full ownership. And I also want to mention that when it says full ownership, it simply means that as a content creator, if you send the invite, you also receive full revenue of that. As you can see, you keep all of the revenue, views, and watch time from your video, so you don't have to worry about it. So let's go ahead and just type my second channel here, learn AI. This is my second channel, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the channel right here. And guys, if you're also interested in AI content, this is a specific channel. I'm gonna share it with you guys. I'm gonna publish this on my channel as well. I'm gonna go ahead and share this on my community as well. So I really appreciate some support. If you subscribe, if you want to see dedicated AI content. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add this channel right here with one subscriber. And as you can see right here, you can also allow analytics viewing. Now this is optional, but if you allow analytics viewing, what's going to happen is that the channel that you allow this will be able to see your analytics for your current video. So they'll be able to view that, and I'm going to show you what it is. If you don't want it, you can just simply leave this off and just go ahead and create a link. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and then go ahead and click and create a link. Now you will see right here that you get a link, and so you can simply click on copy, and then you'll be able now to share this link with the next creator. As I said, this is another channel of myself, and so I'm going to go ahead and close out right here and click on save and just show you on my second channel what that actually looks like. Now when you open up the second channel, so once you go ahead and share that link, let's say this is the second channel, and the person open up the link, it's going to take them right into their YouTube studio, and they will see the collaboration request. And it looks just like this. And all they have to do is go ahead and click and accept. And they will be able to see this video in their channel. So as you can see, it is now showing in my next channel YouTube studio, just like how it would show in another person's channel. And they will have this new tab here at the top that says collaboration. And they can see the views, they can view the analytics, as you can see. And of course, they can always manage collaboration. So here they have manage collaboration. They can click on that and they can see with who basically, and they can withdraw at any point in time they want to do that. They can view analytics. They won't be able to view revenue. As you can see, it just shows the views, the watch hours, and so forth, right? And so this is how it actually looks. They can see overview, they can see reach, they can see engagement, audience, and so forth. So it looks just like this, limited, but it's enough information to share once you're collaborating. But that's it, guys. That's how to go ahead and add collaboration in YouTube. I hope you find this valuable in this video, and if you do, give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below, and if you're already using it, let me know in the comments below how you're using this to help grow your channel and engage with different audiences. Thank you guys for watching. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.